Hi guys, I just received this box a few days ago. It's a Reman Alternator by Remy. As a brand, Remy is well known in the automotive industries, as well as their Reman alternators and starters. We're gonna do a quick review and unboxing of this Remy alternator. Part number is 13213 for Toyota Celica between 1994 to 1997, for Toyota Corollas between 1993 and 1997, and PRIZM for 1993 and 1997. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. Describes as Remy high performance alternator. Every unit is tested as described. It's wrapped. Here's the alternator. Seems to be well built. Seems to be cleaned. A lot of new components. It says right here, made in Mexico. Has the sticker of Remy, as well as the serial numbers and the part numbers. Electrical connectors. Another electrical connector. This is where you're going to put the belt. It's its own pulley system. Main purpose of alternator is to help charge the battery of your vehicle while it's running. Looking here at the itinerary, it says right here, country of origin is Mexico, so it is built in Mexico. Alright guys, its main features are their design improvements, superior components are installed, decreased footprint and environmentally efficient by remanufacturing alternators. They're the industry leader in testing, and they're more newer components and for fuller satisfaction, and they meet or exceed OE standards. In terms of pricing, because it's at the top of the engine and it's an easy part to replace, I looked at Reman. It was well priced at $73.83 plus a core charge of $63, and for a total of $137.71. But if you return your old alternator, which is called the core, they would refund you the $63.88, and for a total you would pay only in reality $73 for this. It's not bad. It's well known. Again, it's from Rock Auto. They have good prices. The pros of this is it's cheap, well priced in terms of its reliability, and for its brand, you're basically buying the brand. You get to send your old part back, so it's not a waste. It has 70 amperage. It's well tested. The cons that is it isn't brand new and it's made in Mexico. Alright guys, I'm here at the Rock Auto's parts on rockauto.com. So looking at the prices, you can go for new, which starts from Boss for $87, Pure Energy from $94, BBB Industries, the brand new one, for $170. And because I wanted to save money and cut some costs, new is good, but alternators are really easy to fix. So I went with remanufactured instead, just to save some money. I looked at Pure Energies for $75, BBB Industries, Remy, AC Delco. But looking at the Remy here, it says it's premium remanufactured, 70 amperage. It was for only $73.83 plus the core charge of $63.88 for a total of $137.71. If you return your old part back, they're going to refund you $63 for the core. It's well built, as stated. Innovative design improvements, manufactured, the industry leader in testing. Here are some of the pictures here. Seems to be well built. Looking at the Remy Automotive website at remyautomotive.com, they're stated as high performance alternators. It says right here, Remy manufactured alternators meet or exceed OE standards because we remanufacture using process similar to the way new alternators are made. They have scheduled laboratory testing, and they demand form, fit, and function. So as long as it works and it lasts long, for the price, it isn't too bad. In conclusion, it's well priced for reliability and for the brand that you're paying for. It has good warranty in case it breaks down, and it is OEM form for proper fit and function. I'd buy Remy any day of the time or week or month or year. Again, please like and subscribe.